Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Today I have a ThredUP unboxing. It's a little bit different though. I already went through everything and kind of prepped it. There were some things with some stains or flaws, and I wanted to research these items to try to give you guys a better idea of the resale value. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a $30 DIY scrap fabric box from the Rescue Box section, and with tax and everything it came to almost 40 bucks. I bought this box before and was pleasantly surprised. So let's get started. The one item that I am not able to sell, I will start off with, and it is simply this formal dress. It is missing too much of the beading, and it's just a lower end juniors brand. So this will be donated. If I wanted to, I could take the stones off and try to sell those, but that would take way too much time, just not worth it. So this one will be donated. The next one I'm just going to probably sell on Whatnot. Started at $3 and see. These are linen cropped wide leg pants by Lou and Grey for Loft. These are a medium, I believe. No, I'm sorry. These are small, and they're just a neutral beige. So I washed them twice and did sting treat them, and there are a few faint spots on the back. So there, and it may show up more on my ring light. There's one here, and there's one there. So anyways, I did wash this twice. Has pockets. These are cute to lounge in. If they were a larger size, I'd keep them, but it's a nice pull-on casual piece. I'm going to have a Whatnot haul in my next video, and then I'll have my first Whatnot show on Monday, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want, get the app, look me up. It's also Thriftingismybeach. Would love to have you guys there to join and support me. Thank you. All right. The next couple items are just scarves, which I will sell. This is major Y2K vibes. It's got butterflies on it, which are supposed to be pretty popular right now. This is silk with like a velvet flock on top. Really nice, pretty sage green sheer. Love this. Like a shawl wrap. And this one is branded just by JJ Collection, but it shows you the fabric content underneath. Chiffon, lining, pure silk, velvet, dry clean. So this would be super cute over like a spaghetti strap Y2K cami. If you're going out in the evening, or even like air-conditioned restaurants are freezing. I know better than to not bring a sweater with me when I eat out. Alright, the next scarf I think is a little bit less exciting. It is still decent, and I will sell this, but it is black velvet with this like almost Celtic pattern, and it is sheer, so you can semi-sheer, I guess, with the cool fringe detail. I don't recall seeing a tag on this one, so this will have to sell on style alone. Let's see. I mean, this would be nice for like a special occasion, mother of the bride, you know, all of that. And it is black with like a ivory tone, so it could go with a lot. This next piece is a basic, which would be great for fall. It's just Lee Riders, size women's small, but it's a nice plaid. Just nice classic. The next one's exciting. This is Katie May. I thought it might be, and I think this is vanity sizing, because this is not a size 1. This is vanity 1. Katie May. I thought this was silk. It's just simply polyester. It's got this interesting neckline. I thought maybe there were supposed to be straps, but I found this exact one for sale on eBay, and they were asking $130. It's just this really nice ruched draped dress. It is lined, really nice tropical print, strapless. It is fun. Okay, so I soaked this because there was some discoloration. I did get all of it out, but right here I didn't see that. Now this is probably supposed to be dry clean only, and I did put it in the washer on delicate, and I paid the price because now there is a flaw on the seam. I'm going to use, I can't stitch that because it was simply unfray. I am going to use fabric glue since it is on the seam. Just disclose it and I'll list it for $100. My cost of goods for this box was $3.08 per item, not including that first dress I showed you because it's not in sellable condition. So all in $3.08 each piece, which is better than the thrift. Just went to my local thrift. They raised their dresses. The last time I went there, which was just a few weeks ago, they were bringing them out only priced at $2.50, and now they marked them up to almost $7. Even Walmart dresses, they have them marked at almost $7. So inflation has hit Central Illinois Goodwills, unfortunately, which is kind of sad. Okay, the next piece is the biggest ThredUP unboxing piece I have ever come across. So if you're not listening or paying attention, hone in on this. This is a brand that I was not aware of. This dress, if you go to their website, they retail for a lot. I'm talking sequins dresses can retail for over $1,000. I don't know the retail on this one because this one was sold at Revolve about 3 years ago, so I could not find the retail price. But this one is a size large, which is amazing, and it is new with tags. This dress was sought after. It has flared sleeve, surplice wrap. It isn't showing the color contrast as much here, but it is like a dark silver and a gold all over sequins mini dress. So somebody has this listed on Poshmark for 300 U's. I think I can get, and that was like the only one I saw, I think I can get $400 to $500 for this dress. $400 to $500. Great find. There's a loose thread here down at the bottom where the sequence was attached at one point, or maybe it's just to the lining, I don't know, but it appears to be in great condition. It's got a slit here, very like disco vibes, something to wear out for like a bachelorette party, a cocktail. This will definitely get you noticed. So retro fit, I'm probably saying that incorrectly, but great find. Very excited for that one. The next piece was also interesting. When I first saw it, it's like a dickie, you know, like those turtlenecks that were popular in the 80s and 90s that you'd wear into sweaters, and it's not a shirt, it's just like the neck part. Yeah, I think this is actually a crop top, but it just like lays over like this. This is a collaboration between Reebok and Victoria Beckham. As you can see, this is actually marked as a sample. This would have been for their 2020 collaboration, I believe. And it does say sample right here. I did look online. I could not find any other ones. There was an article written about this collaboration and this piece was shown, but I didn't find it. Just when I did a quick Google search. I'm guessing it's worth like 20 to 30, but that's okay with me. It's in like new condition. It's like a camel tan. The next piece is a vintage 90s Hawaiian button-up in a rayon, I believe, made in USA. Women's small. This is copyright of Carol Anderson, California. This is a nice lightweight top. This would look cute knotted for the summer, knotted with some high-waisted jean shorts. Really like the subtle print with the coconut buttons. The next piece is also very fun. I will need to do more research. I haven't checked Google Lens yet, but this is a chambray jumpsuit made in Italy with pearl embellishments on the waist, and it's actually like crisscrossed in the back. It has some snaps right here, and the waist area is smocked, and all I see here is 100% cotton made in Italy, and it's an Italian 42. So holding it up, it looks like a small, and this is full length. This is not cropped. You can roll it, obviously, but just a fun piece. Appears all the beading, and then if you look closely, it's got a little sparkle rhinestone. So it's got some pleating here, like bubble pleats almost with pockets. Really interesting. Really interesting. And then here we have a formal gold metallic maxi skirt. Okay. Nice metallic piece. This would be great for a formal event. You could also, I've seen women wear these like formal-ish skirts with a t-shirt and sneakers, and they rock it. I don't know how they can do that, but they do. So this is a larger size as well, which is great. This is Alex Evenings. This is a 1X, and I was like, oh, maybe it's silk or something, but nope, it's just a blend of like rayon and polyester. But yeah, it's fun. It's, again, maxi length, that cool metallic. All right, next we have, I believe this is 90s, maybe even Y2K. Here's the tag if interested. It's a juniors 11, which is like a women's medium, I believe. A really nice like burgundy velvet empire waist like skater dress. Sleeveless. With some good stretch. This is very tiny. You can see from this waist, it's like an extra small. It, again, is black with like circle skirt almost, but it has a silver sheen as you see when I move. So I like the style. This is vintage cachet. It's a size 4, vintage size 4, but let me tell you, it's like an extra small. Again, it's like a rayon blend. So I thought it would be more like silks and stuff, and I have a lot of blended fabrics. So that was kind of a bummer, but my last piece I'm going to show you guys, and I'm showing you everything from my box. It all came from Pennsylvania, is this vintage velvet overcoat with, you can see the like the raised flocked flowers with pretty buttons. The inside liner is also very funky. It is flannel, and it's like this yellow retro floral print. Has the pointed collar. It's a mid-length. This one does have pockets, and this appears handmade. I do not see any tags. It is well made. I was going to show you some of the stitching, but it doesn't really show much. They did a nice job on this one. I don't see it. There's no pink seams. It's like finished, like, I forget what that's called, but all right. That's my box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.